everybody? Today I'm reacting to the Get Out of My Car animation that was made a long time ago, but I love it, so I'm going to react to it for y'all. 3, 2, 1, clady clack, I am back, hashtag Solette from SML. Yeah, the following audio is
You are at the hospital. Administration is right here.
I'm going to the emergency room, sir.
Get in there.
Where?
Out of my car now.
Where is my
Get out
destination?
of my car now.
I don't know where I am. I'm asking you where is my destination if you will come.
the eye.
Get in there.
Where?
Out of my car now.
Where is my
Get out of
destination?
my
Look at
car now.
I don't know where I am. I'm asking you where is my destination if you will kindly point at where
Look at
I
him.
am.
He looks
It's
like
your
he's
destination.
on
It said
Roid
here
Rage.
I was at your destination. It's over. Get out of my
Great
car
film.
now.
It said 17
Get out
cents.
of my car now.
Sir, it said.
Get out of my car now.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you won't fucking get out of my car.
Did you see
But
his
you're
head
not
just-
to yell at me.
Hold up. Did you see his
Sir, it said.
face?
Get out of my car
Look at his
now.
Why are you yelling at
Oh,
me?
never mind.
Because you won't fucking get out of my
Did you see
car.
it?
But you're not to
I love
yell
all
at
the-
me. You are not to yell at me.
Right.
One.
Do
Do
it.
it.
Do
Do
it.
it.
Do it. You are facing
Get
very.
out right fucking now.
You are facing.
Get out of my car.
I love
I'm
this part.
facing a fucking moron. Get out. Now.
You're facing.
Now.
Look at his head turn around.
You have no right to scream at me.
I will fucking moron. Get out.
Look at his neck.
Now.
You're facing me.
Now.
You have no right to scream at me.
I will fucking talk to you any goddamn way I want.
In his
Really?
eyes.
Yes, I fucking will. And I have the right.
Where am I?
You're at a hospital. Where
Where-
you need to be. Get out of my car.
No.
Can you get her out of my car, please?
Alright, well that was a short little video that I just wanted to do for whatever reason. It was only like 2 minutes and 30 seconds, so I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. And it didn't stop. Okay, so I'm editing this, and the guy who was playing guitar in the background, it was my cousin's boyfriend, Damien, who was also the Dr. Pepper guy who got me the Dr. Pepper in the last Try Not to Laugh. Sorry guys, bye!